Right, so it's going to be our first one on the GoPro, the X-Maxx. Hey Dan, you're on camera.
You alright?
Yeah.
That's mad.
Huh?
That's mad.
My gearing's shredded up.
Where is everyone?
Nah. What are you doing? Rear diff is shredded on this still. It just means I can't punch it, and then when it does shred, it's just front wheel drive. Can't put it any more damage, but if it does, it does. It's got to be torn down anyway, so. I know most of you probably be screaming at me, don't do it, don't do it. But my diff is shredded at the back, the outcome. It's already broken. I've already stripped the rear diff. I've got to strip it down to replace it, so I thought I might as well come out.
Is there nothing on the market that keeps the front end down on it?
Isn't there what?
Is there nothing like, can't you buy a gyro?
It's got a gyro in there.
What, that keeps it level in there?
That keeps it going straight when I pin the throttle. I've already done the half pipe, mate. I've already jumped that pipe.
Have you done the bolt?
Kick it off that. Your wheel's got a buckle in it, I think.
It ain't a buckle, I think the bolt's come undone.
Oh, for fuck. This thing's always broken before it has fun.
Yeah, that's alright. It's always breaking because I was meant to fix it, and I haven't fixed it yet.
That didn't sound good.
That's alright. That's above the easy, man. That's nothing. I've done bigger jumps than that.
And fucking distraction. On the tires. You can hear them.
I know.
Right, send it up that.
I already destroyed my gear last time.
Oh, you can have a kick off.
Nah, not in here. Not in here.
Not jumping it, just driving around. Can you get up that?
Fucking wheels. Send it up that far. Go on, do it. Just
Have a look at my YouTube, mate. I literally went as high as the tree, and when it came down, it did. And when it came down, it went bang like that and stripped my gear. The £20 a gear, mate. Plus the pinion, that's another 20. It's 40 quid.
I'm not doing no jumps.
Just sit
I just want to drive.
Not right. Next time I bring it up the car park, I'll let you have a go on it.
You're coming out tonight.
Craig, you can control the throttle. I just want to control where it goes.
Is it opposite or?
What? Yeah, when it's back front.
Send it into the bar.
Can you do a burnout? Reverse and then smash it into first.
No, because it's got a safety thing on it. And that's how I strip my diff. Huh?
Will it down?
Yeah. Perfect, do it in here, do it in a half pipe.
2.5 pipe.
I think it's quick. Is there a way of getting it fucking back up?
Yeah, I told you it's got a gyro thing in it.
I was going to say in the middle of the air.
Just
Go
self-destruct.
I've already done that, mate.
Do you want me to go and turn it right? It's having a seizure.
There's something to do on that shelf.
Johnny's going there.
Jump that.
What he jumped all of this, man?
Yeah, well,
I've been up here for like 2 hours before.
On a video.
I can't even see it. I'm already videoing it. I can't see it. Yeah, you can go on water. Yeah. Oh.
Go on, son.
Well, I think X-Maxx things.
Huh?
DK2 is actually made to be cool. DK2 is actually they would not be cool.
Oh, it's gone through stinging nettles now.
Wait, take it to the mud jumps in there.
Already tried that. There's too many logs in there, man.
Huh?
There's too many logs. It just goes all over the place.
Too many dogs?
Logs.
Oi, Craig, come down this. This little one.
Slipping.
Just round here.
My rib.
Hey, jump something. I just want to see one more jump. Like proper high.
Just fucking send it. Right, send that. Send that and see where it lands.
Send what?
This fuck.
You'll probably end up in a flipping tennis court, man.
No, send that up there.
It's straight.
Come on in. It's straight.
It's straight.
That. See? Send it. Let it run up and send it.
No, I'm not hitting anyone. You know how much that weighs? It weighs like nearly 20 kilos.
Fuck. Let me listen. Give me
Wait, now for nearly killing me, you got to jump these stairs and jump that.
Send it into the tree.
I've already done that, man.
You might as well just take the box off the top. It just rattles around.
Yeah, ain't the box rattling, that's the diff rattling in the back. See? Yeah. That's the gears fucking slipping over themselves.
Once
You kept doing too many wheelies on it.
You're going to fix it.
Yeah.
Jump that one more time.
So it won't take any more than about half throttle.
It won't what?
Take any more than about half throttle. That's all I've been doing up here.
That's half right.
What the
Wait, bro, we can handle that big one.
Batteries just come out. Woohoo! Lost the battery. Snap the strap. Wow. Snap the battery strap. Snap the battery strap. Huh?
Did you run anyone over with you?
Some little kid went right in front of it as I went to accelerate, and it pushed him straight over.
You hurt anyone with it? It's when you hit someone with it in mid-air and broke something.
No, I hit some guy that was like 6'5", knocked him clean on the floor and dislocated his foot. I wasn't even going fast, it was literally just like about 15 miles an hour. Just went dunk straight his ankle.
There you go.
But it's on YouTube. It's on my YouTube, isn't it? Yeah. For GoPro. That rear diff is shredded. It's been broken since it came out, man. That rear diff shredded.
Really? Lift the top off. Was it underneath? Two batteries.
Yeah, but each one of them, if they caught fire, it'd explode. It's like sticks of dynamite. No, they're lithium polymer.
So is there a motor on each wheel, or is it just a one drive shaft? Hold on. Is it just one drive shaft? Two motors onto one drive shaft?
No, it's one motor on drivetrain. About £1,000.
That's £1,000.
Yeah, just for the car alone. The batteries, they were 180.
The one at Corby, innit? The one at Corby that I nearly got.
But like I said to you, you put one of them on a fire, mate, it would be nowhere near it. I'll tell you that now.
Really?
Yes.
Do they go bang?
Yes. Have a look on
Get that thing
YouTube.
away from me. Fucking I like that, mate.
They smoke before they explode anyway, so you have to worry about that.
Is that a bomb-proof shelter for it then? So if it does go bang, it don't kill it?
No, mate, that just melt. That's not even heat resistant. The other shells that come with it are, but this one ain't. It's just going to be indestructible.
Oh, it has to be. Go on, go fucking. Will it climb that tree?
It will if I had my rear diff. I've already again done it on YouTube.
What?
You jump trees.
No,
You literally go up the tree. Have a look on YouTube.
What's your YouTube channel?
No way.
DJ Waves. I've done it at the
DJ Waves.
Kennedy Gardens. You know, there's like the fat trees at Kennedy Gardens.
Go
Went
through
straight
that,
up it.
all that thorn bushes.
Probably, but I don't want it in my car.
In my car?
Anyone go through thorn bushes?
You can hear that. That's my rear diff. It's just front wheel drive now.
You convert it to front wheel.
No, the rear diff shredded. That's what annoys me.